Hello friends, welcome to Solutions Hub. Press the subscribe button and bell icon to get more updates on free online courses and course answer. Also follow us on Telegram. Link is given into description. So the guys, in this video we will see uh, Udemy courses which are paid one, but we get at free of cost. I will provide a coupon code. That coupon code and course link is available in description. So first course is Slack Masterclass, Slack Future of Business Communication. Attention solopreneurs, when your work communication flows, customer success grows. This course is completely free. Only 2 days left at this price, and this course include 4 hours on demand video, full lifetime access on mobile and TV. At the end, you get certificate of that course. The coupon code of that course is given into description. Next course is how to learn any language. Best ways to learn language fast. Tips, advice, and techniques to learn any foreign language you want for all levels up to advanced polyglot learners. In this course, you will learn get ready to learn the best and most efficient techniques to learn any language, how to learn by speaking, writing, listening, and reading, adopt the right way of thinking, maximize learning, how to learn new words and remember them, make the most out of your material like books or apps. The rating of this course is 3.88 and already 266 students enrolled for this course. This course is completely only 2 days left at this price, and this course include 1.5 hours on one video, 30 articles, one downloadable source, full lifetime access on mobile and TV. At the end, you get certificate of that course. The coupon code and course link is available into description. Next course is Adobe Photoshop CC Crash Course. Learn Photoshop in 2 hours. Learn Photoshop color adjustment, content aware, crop, text style, shadow selection, masking, blur, filter, retouching. The rating of this course is 4.54 and already 33,000 students enrolled for this course. In this course, you will learn essential and Photoshop, blur and filter, retouching, content aware and cropping, color adjustment, text style selection, and masking. This course is also free. Only 2 days left at this price, and this course include 2 hours on demand video, 3 download resource, full lifetime access on mobile and TV. At the end, you get certificate of the course. The coupon code of this course is Photoshop Pre Class. The coupon code of this course is Photoshop Pre Class. The coupon code and course link is available in description. This course is Accounting, Financial Accounting, Total Beginner to Advanced, including well over 100 hours of content, ebook, Excel worksheet, and PDF files. This is comprehensive. The rating of this course is 4.3 and already 1,70,000 students enrolled for this course. In this course, you will learn an introduction to accounting, the double entry accounting system, recording transaction using debits and credits. Use the concept of double entry accounting system, record financial transaction using debits and credits, record merchandising transaction, record transaction in already inventory, record financial transaction using the account question. This course is again free. Only 1 day left at this price, and this course include 115.5 hours on demand video, 63 articles, 67 downloadable resources, full lifetime access to mobile TV, and at the end we get certificate of the course. The remaining courses and course link is available into a description. Please enroll for that all courses as soon as possible. Thank you.